Good afternoon, 6th hour drawing. I've already kind of filled you in on the fact that I am not here, so I really hope that you guys have your mobile phones on you and you're able to watch this video through my website, which is up on the board, because our guest teacher, I'm not 100% sure if you'll be able to get everything up and operating, but needless to say, today's exercise is really straightforward and super simple. So I want to make sure that I explain this first to you guys to let you know what types of materials you're going to need, but also go through a couple things here, because even though it is super simple, it's a different approach than what I think you might be taking in your regular drawing approach, that is. So first of all, you're not going to be working in your sketchbook for this exercise. Actually, you'll be exclusively working with a 9 by 12 inch sheet of paper, drawing paper, which I will have for you guys out by my desk, where most of the materials have been throughout the last few weeks. So you won't have to search high and low for that, but I would like you to use this size piece of paper, because you will also be grabbing a reference image. You will all be working from the same one. This is Picasso's contour line drawing of a seated man. Now, I know that you're probably looking at this thinking that this is really weird looking and strange looking, but over the course of the last, yesterday, we were talking about contour line drawings and exactly what they all are. And with this exercise, I want to train you guys specifically how to look at an object and not look at the whole object. Just look at various parts of them and really understand what type of information that you're going to be taking in. Now, I'm going to try to adjust my computer monitor here so that you guys can get a sense of what you guys are going to be doing, but very simply, you guys are going to be drawing the lines that you see on this. It's just the approach is a little bit different. So let me see if I can adjust this. You're going to start with the seated man image, but you're going to place it upside down on your drawing table. So the head is going to be at the bottom, the feet or the bottom of the chair is going to be at the top of your image. And you're going to cover that up with your drawing paper. And what I'm looking for you guys to do, and let me see if I got a drawing utensil here that'll actually work. What you're going to do is you're going to inch this down in very small increments and simply draw the lines that you see. So as you can see, this is a fairly simple process, but again, you need to train your eye to only draw what is being exposed. Okay? Then you'll expose a little bit more and continue those lines down. And this is where it gets tricky. So if you guys remember, I was telling you guys yesterday that you might want to have some music and definitely not be sitting next to people that are going to distract you from this, because as I'm talking, doing this little video, I'm finding out that this is very, very difficult to do two things at once. But eventually what you'll do, and as you can see, I'll hold this up for the camera real quick, you'll notice that your marks will actually start to mimic the marks of the seated man image that's directly behind it. As you scroll your paper, that is the seated man reference image, up a little bit, you'll expose more lines that you'll just end up copying right down here. Now, we have a 50-minute class, so I'm not asking you guys to rush through this. This is definitely something that I think you should take your time on and slowly pace yourself through each set of lines, moving your eye from left to right or right to left, whatever you feel comfortable with. But at the end of the hour, I'd like you to tape these two images together, put your name on it, and turn this into the bottom bin right above your value study pictures, or if you want to take those, you're more than welcome to see what you guys get done on this. So I will see you guys later. This video has gone on a little bit longer than I expected, but I wanted to do a brief demonstration for you. Make sure that you've got the drawing paper, you have the seated man image, and that you start upside down with your paper over top of it, exposing little bits of it as you go down the image. All right? I wish you guys luck. Can't wait to see what you guys have tomorrow, and we'll start on a little bit more cross contour line drawing after that. Bye.